at a campground, I have one of the smallest rigs there. My RV is a little over 21 feet on the outside and 18 feet long on the inside. Needless to say, other RVers sometimes ask me, do you have a kitchen? Do you have a bathroom? Yes, I have both of those things. In fact, this is what my kitchen looks like. And that's enough space for me to fit about everything that I need for a week or two of groceries. I don't know that I'd want to share the space with anyone, but for myself, it is plenty. I've definitely had smaller fridges in college where, you get that little apartment fridge, and then like your freezer space is this much. Right, Shadow? Do you remember college? It was tough times, wasn't it? Yeah. He said it was tough times. He remembers. For the rest of this video, I will show you the meals that I've made and how I make them. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I do make new videos every Friday. I also hope that the video answers your questions about what you could possibly make in a space this small. I mean, I'm on my couch and I'm touching my kitchen counter right now. I guess that's it for this week, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye!